24 YZ250F. I've only been able to ride a stock one, and this is a very heavily modified YZ250F. So thanks to my buddy Jared, he was telling me everything he's done to it. It's got Twisted Development air boot, it's got the ECU, it's got Xtrig Triple clamps, Raptor foot pegs. What else has this thing got? FMF exhaust, and this thing looks about as factory as you can get. It's got engine mounts, so I'm sure it's going to be a little bit stiffer. And it's still stock suspension, but overall it looks sick. You can see the air boxes got the holes in it for the more flow, so I'm expecting this thing to scream. This thing looks, I'm about to ride like Deegan out on this thing. So quick little message before we get to the riding. I don't do this bike nearly enough justice, so down below I have linked AJ riding this bike the same day, absolutely ripping on this thing. As well as down below I have linked a link to the Moto Academy app. If you use my link, you get 3 days free inside of the Moto Academy app. Check it out, some great stuff. Get one-on-one coaching with all the coaches, tons of content, and be part of a great community. I can't thank AJ enough, as well as the whole Moto Academy team, for everything that they've done for me and helped me progress along the way. So get inside the app, use my link, get those 3 days free, and enjoy. Oh, he told me it's got aftermarket brakes too, and yeah. Oh yeah, much more snappier than the stock. Water too at the end of the day. We're at a Moto Academy class here at Southport. Because we got the cone out from the drill. You all right? Oh boy. So that's a fun way to end the video. Blue man went off into the pond. Thank you, Jared, for letting me ride this thing. This thing is... Oh man, I think I'm just gonna do the exact same mods as far as the air box, air boot, and power flow kit, as well as the ECU, because this thing rips so much better than the stock one.
What'd you think?
Way better than the stock bike. As it should be. Oh. I'll take this.
Don't let it hand it to you.
How's that?
Don't let it hand it.
No, I'm gonna take it easy on this thing.